Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today we're gonna unbox the Lookfantastic box. This is what the box looks like, and it says birthday over here because this is their birthday edition box. Now honestly, I can't really remember what birthday this is. It says in the lid, another year older and more fantastic than ever. So we got the booklet here, and then we got the, come on out of there, come on, whoo, a very thick Elle magazine. And then we have, oh, it says Christmas has come early this year. Okay. Let's see, what's this? The 2018 Lookfantastic Advent Calendar will be available to pre-order from the 7th of September, which is actually today. And we're offering 20% off exclusively for our subscribers. Use the code below at checkout. Okay, so that is pretty cool. And then we have, there we go, the inside of this month's box. Okay, so let me just check what birthday this is. September. This month we're celebrating the 4th birthday of the Lookfantastic Beauty box with their special birthday edition. Okay, so what to start with? Let's start with this. This is from Kingsley Elasticizer Intensive Super Conditioning Pre-Shampoo Treatment for all hair types. Adds elasticity and manageability, bounce, and shine. So this is a pre-shampoo treatment. So it says over here, for best results, use regularly before shampooing wet hair and apply in sections. Work into hair with fingertips. Cover with a plastic cap and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes before washing. Rinse well and follow with the appropriate Kingsley shampoo, conditioner, and scalp toner. Finer hair textures apply sparingly through mid-lengths and ends. So, let's see. Look, am I holding it upside down? Or am I supposed to hold it like, no, I'm supposed to hold it like this. I'm not really sure if it's going to pick up on the camera, because like I said, when I look in the viewfinder over there, everything is like a washed-out white. So I'm not really sure if it's picking up. Once again, the prices of these items are not mentioned, to my irritation, are not mentioned in this booklet, so you're gonna have to look them up online. Honestly, I could bring out my phone and just look up what it costs, but I'm a lazy YouTuber and I forgot my phone. It's not here. So if you're really that interested, look them up online. Let's move on to this, and this is from Mane & Tail Hoof Maker Hand and Nail Therapy Intensive Protein Enriched Moisturizer. So this is what that little fella looks like in another box. Was it StyleTone? No, because StyleTone doesn't do samples. StyleTone only does full-size items. So I don't know what box specifically, but we used to get a conditioner and a shampoo from Mane & Tail. This is a moisturizer for your hands. Basically a filler item in my opinion. But okay, let's move on to a little box. This is Ultra More Mud Mask. Okay, from Omorovica or Omorovica. I'm not really sure how you pronounce this. From Budapest, so it's Hungary. So they pretty much have the same pronunciation as we do. I'm from Yugoslavia. But I think it's either Omorovica or it's Omorovica. So I'm not really sure if it's ca or cha. Anyway, a mask. Little teeny tiny sample size mask. We already received a moisturizer. Yeah, a moisturizer from Omorovica. This is mud, yeah, like I said, Ultra More Mud Mask. It's a really cute, teeny tiny little sample size. I'm not really sure if the mask inside, smells pretty good. can't complain. It smells pretty solid, so that's nice. I think this is gonna last me exactly one time because it really is a teeny tiny little sample size. But still really cool. As y'all know, I love face masks, so I cannot wait to give it a try. Now let's move on to a little pot, and this is from Eve Lom. It's a cleanser. Warm a small amount of cleanser between your fingers and use circular movements to massage onto dry skin. Oh, this is like a balm. Yeah, it's like a balm cleanser. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. I actually am using one right now to take off my makeup from Estee Lauder. I have another one from Clinique. And now I have a teeny tiny little sample size from Eve Lom. And the inside is a little bit like green yellowish. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. Oh, let's take off the cap. There we go. So this is basically what it looks like from the inside. It's like a butter cleanser. Hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about when I say butter cleanser. Let's move. Ooh, look at these wormies. They are so beautiful. They're, I wanted to say hollow, but they're not shifting rainbows. They're duochrome, but they're really beautiful. Okay, let's move on to, I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna be honest. I don't know what this is. It's a cloth. I know it's a cloth. From Eve Lom. Okay, so it goes with, hold on. It goes with the cleanser, but now I have to look it up in the booklet to see. Let's see, it says cleanser and half muslin cloth. Half a cloth. Okay, hold on. Apply the cleanser once a day for normal to dry skin types. Yay, I'm a dry skin type. Or twice a day for congested skins. Massage a small amount onto the face and neck over makeup, and grime from the day. Run the muslin cloth under hot water and in small circular movements, work the cloth around the face and neck to remove all traces of cleanser and makeup. Okay, that's basically what they do in a salon. When they put on cleanser and stuff, and then they take it off, then they use a cloth in circular motions. I will be honest and say I just do that with water in my hands. It's a lot easier than taking a cloth. I have to wash this cloth every single day if I want to use it every single day, and I see so much dust coming from this cloth. I don't know if I'm going to use it for that. Just going to be honest. Okay, let's move on to, there are 3 more items and the box is empty. There we, oh my goodness, there we go. Okay, let's start with, what the hell's this? Swizzle's Giant Parma Violets Delicately Perfumed Violet Sweets, suitable for vegetarians. Oh, I see. Because it doesn't say anything about sweets in the booklet, does it? Like, no, it does not. Nope, it doesn't say anything. Oh, so I'm assuming that's like, you know, the birthday edition, so they added candy. Okay, hold on. I want to have one. How do you open this? Oh wow, we actually have to tear it apart. Oh dang. Wow, that is very sweet. Ooh, holy cow. Okay, this is really cool. This was not a smart idea when I'm filming, but we received sweets. This is what they look like. They're like this lilac kind of a color. I'm sorry for like the smacking and sucking noises. I got a big mouth, okay? You're gonna hear it. So sorry for the ones that hate like smacking noises and stuff. You're gonna hear it because I have a candy in my mouth and I need to finish it. I feel like my camera is tilted. You guys feel like you're tilted? I kind of do feel like you're tilted. Oops, sorry if this entire video, because I only have 2 more products and I'm done, so I'm sorry if this entire video is like shifted. Anyway, let's move on to Aromatherapy Associates. This is Support Lavender and a Peppermint. Support Lavender? What the hell? This is a bath and shower oil, and it's actually glass. Like this little pot is actual glass. It's fancy. Okay, this is what that fella looks like. It is great for travel purposes. Let's smell it. Come on. Oh, wow, that has a strong, like, lavender scent. If you're not into herbs or lavender, this is not for you. I love lavender. So, this is really cool to put, like, in your bath, just as, I guess you could say, as like an aromatherapy, you know, to lie in the bathtub and smell lavender and just relax. I don't have a freaking bathtub. That kind of sucks, but I will keep it because if I travel or go somewhere that, you know, people maybe have a bath, I could take a bath. That would be kind of awesome. So I really enjoy this. And now the last item in here is this. And this is from Lord and Barry. It's hashtag 1153 Strobing Pencil. Okay, so wow, ooh, okay, this is fancy. Okay, this is definitely a hopefully you guys are able to see that, but like a highlighter pencil. Again, hopefully you guys are able to see that. I'm not really sure, but this is what that little fella looks like. Come on. And then this is the little pencil area. So it looks really, really cool. Okay guys, that was it for this birthday edition. We received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Counting the cloth, it will be 7 items. Honestly, I'm going to use every single item. I'm just going to be honest. I'm going to use clearly the cleanser. I wanted to say Tom Ford. What? Lord and Barry, the pre-shampoo conditioning, really excited to see what it does. The mask, clearly gonna use, y'all know I'm hooked on masks. Okay, a little bit of a filler product, the hand cream, but I mean, I have so many hand creams already, but I know I'm gonna use it anyway. And then we have the bath oil. I don't have a bath right now, but I don't know, maybe that will change in the future. And I do know people who have baths, so it's all fine. And we received candy. I mean, how to win, especially women's hearts, like candy. But this candy, I will say, is too sweet. I'm gonna go to my sister right now, and I'm gonna pass this along to her kids because a little bit too sweet for me. Okay. Thank y'all so much for watching, and let me know in the comments below what do you guys think of this month's box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!